What if I told you that you could replicate the style of successful YouTube channels using AI without spending hours writing scripts, designing thumbnails, or planning visuals? In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step workflow for creating highly engaging videos using AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Google AI Studio. We'll cover everything from analyzing a successful channel, generating video ideas, writing scripts, creating visuals, making thumbnails, optimizing SEO, and even generating realistic voiceovers completely for free. So if you want to create high-quality faceless videos faster and smarter, let's get started. First, open Claude. Once you're inside Claude, you'll find a prompt in the description. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into Claude. After pasting it, scroll down a little and simply press enter. As soon as you hit enter, Claude will start thinking. It'll process the prompt and then ask you to provide a YouTube channel link. Next, go to the channel you want to replicate and copy its link. For example, I'm going to copy this channel, so I'll grab the link and paste it here in Claude, then press enter again. After a short wait, Claude will ask you to provide 2 or 3 full YouTube video scripts from that channel. Now, open a YouTube transcript website, search for YouTube transcript, and open the first website that appears. Then go back to the channel and copy the link of any video. Once you've copied the video link, return to the transcript website, paste the link, and click Get Free Transcript. Within a few seconds, your transcript will be ready. Copy the full transcript and save it in a document. I recommend labeling it as Script 1. Repeat the same process for 2 or 3 videos and save all the scripts. Once all your scripts are ready, copy them together at once. These scripts may be around 10 to 12 pages long, which is completely fine. When you provide Claude with 2 or 3 transcripts, it analyzes how that channel structures videos, keeps viewers engaged, and performs overall. Based on that, it generates scripts in a similar style. So paste all the transcripts here and hit enter. Claude will think for a moment, and sometimes it may ask for more transcripts. If you want to provide more, you can do that. Otherwise, simply type skip and hit enter. After that, Claude will ask whether you want video ideas or if you already have a topic. If you don't have a topic yet, simply type generate video ideas and press enter. Claude will then generate around 10 video ideas based on the same niche as the channel you're analyzing. You can review the ideas and pick whichever one you like. For example, I like this idea, the dollar's slow death. I'll select it and hit enter. After that, Claude will generate something called style DNA. You can read through it if you want, or simply let Claude finish generating it. Once the style DNA is ready, scroll down and type go. As soon as you type go, Claude will begin writing the full script for you. You don't have to write a single word yourself. It does a really great job generating detailed scripts. In this case, our script is around 3,800 words, so it may take a little time to finish. Just wait a moment. And as you can see, the script is now fully generated. Next, we'll move to the visual stage. To do that, simply type continue and hit enter. Once you do that, Claude will start generating visual prompts. It'll also ask for reference images from the channel style. Go back to the channel, open any video, and take a few screenshots. I'd recommend grabbing around 4 to 5 screenshots for better results. I uploaded 6 screenshots into Claude and pressed enter again. Claude will now analyze the visual style, explain what works, what could be improved, and how to make it even better. Then it'll ask if you want image prompts. Simply type go again. As soon as you type go, Claude will begin generating image prompts. Wait a little while for it to finish. As you can see, it generated plenty of image prompts and even mentioned where each image should appear in the video. Now, save these image prompts in any document file. Next, I'll show you how to organize everything. Claude can actually organize all of this into a PDF or Word document for you. When you scroll down, it may ask whether you want video prompts. If you want them, click continue. If not, simply type skip. In my case, I'm skipping because the competitor channel I'm analyzing mostly uses images rather than video prompts. After that, Claude will ask for a few thumbnail references from the channel. Go back to the channel, click on videos, and copy the links of 2 or 3 videos. Next, open another tab and search for YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. Open the first website. The website is called YouTube Thumbnail Grabber. Simply paste your video link and click Get Thumbnail Images. Within a second, the thumbnail will appear. Download it and repeat the same process for the remaining thumbnails. A quick tip, click on popular videos so you can grab thumbnails from videos that already performed well. Once you've downloaded all the thumbnails, upload them into Claude. Claude will analyze the thumbnail style and generate thumbnail ideas based on your current script. First, it'll break down the style and explain what makes the thumbnails effective. Then it'll generate improved thumbnail prompts. You'll usually get around 5 thumbnail prompt ideas. Once you have the prompts, you can create thumbnails using any image generation tool or even ChatGPT with a single click. After that, scroll down because now we need SEO. Simply type continue. Claude will do the research and generate SEO optimized content for your video. First, it'll generate an SEO optimized description. Then, if you scroll down, you'll also get SEO tags and hashtags. It does a really solid job with optimization, which can help your videos perform better. And if you want everything organized into a clean document that's easier to understand and access later, simply type continue again. Then type yes. Claude will think for about 1 to 2 minutes and organize everything into a document format. Let's wait a moment. And as you can see, the document is now ready. Simply click download and Claude will give you a fully organized document containing all your scripts, prompts, SEO, thumbnails, and research in one place for easy access. Now, let's move on to the image generation process. Now open ChatGPT. Once you're inside ChatGPT, open the document where you saved all your image prompts. From there, copy the first prompt. Next, paste that prompt into ChatGPT. After pasting it, type AR16:9 at the end of the prompt. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate the image in a YouTube-friendly aspect ratio, then simply press enter. And that's basically the process you'll follow for all your images. Now, why are we using ChatGPT? Because right now, ChatGPT generates really high quality images that work extremely well for this type of channel. Next, we'll copy the second prompt. After copying it, come back to ChatGPT and simply hit send again. You can also generate multiple images at the same time. For example, you can open 2 or 3 separate chats or even multiple tabs to speed things up and generate images simultaneously. And as you can see, the results look really impressive. Here's the first image, and if we check the second one, the quality is just as good. Overall, the results look really solid and work perfectly for this kind of content. Next, we need to generate the voiceover. For that, open Google AI Studio. Once you're inside, you'll see a dashboard like this. Simply go to the Models section. After that, find the audio category. From there, select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview. Next, choose a speaker voice. You can try a few options and select whichever voice sounds best to you. Once you've selected a speaker, paste your script here. After pasting the script, simply click Run. As soon as you click Run, your voiceover will start generating. And the best part is, it's completely free. You can generate highly realistic voiceovers using this tool. Once the voice is ready, simply download it, and that's it. Now just edit those images according to lines mentioned above the image prompt. And that's pretty much the complete process. As you can see, with the right AI workflow, you can go from channel research to scripts, visuals, thumbnails, SEO, and even realistic voiceovers without doing everything manually. The best part is that most of these tools are either free or very easy to get started with. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of AI tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.